Chalo, sir. Chalo. So again, hello everyone. Very good evening to all of you guys, and welcome to Oliveboard. So again, I hope my audio video is clear. You guys can hear me, see me like clearly. Just a quick confirmation whether you guys can see me, hear me absolutely clearly or not. Bhavani, hi, how are you? Very good evening. Very good evening. अच्छा, सबमिट कर लेते हैं सर. चलो सर. So first question of quant is this one, sir. First question of quant is this one. Right? चलो. Let's start, sir. Let's see क्या क्या दिया है. चलो. So first question. चलो. A can complete a job in 6 days and A and B together can complete the job in 4 days. Acha. Then there's some story is given. Sir, first things first. A is here. Another situation A plus B. First, let's do this. Sir, 1 by time ratio is efficiency ratio, so we'll figure out efficiency ratios directly. Then we'll figure out the LCM, the total work and everything. Sir, 6 days. So it will be 1 by 6 and it will be, sir, 1 by 4. So this is the ratio. So that means it is, direct kar de, sir, 4 ratio 6. That means 2 ratio 3, sir. Meaning. Please understand. That means A in 1 day is doing 2 units of work. A plus B in 1 day, they are doing 3 units of work. Now, out of 3 units, A is doing 2 units, we know. So, B's efficiency is, sir, 1 unit. First things first done. And, sir, total work also we need to figure out. What will be total work, sir? Total work, sir. A is doing 2 units every day and A is taking 6 days. Meaning, sir, 6 12s are 12 units. 6 2s are 12 units. Right? Reena, success, Nambi, everyone is saying 2. Let's see, sir. Let us see. So this is what we have got. So total 12 units and A does 2 units, B does 1 unit. That much we know. Now, A and B work together for 1 day. So that is already done. So if A and B work together 1 day, every day they do 3 units. So that means out of 12 units, in that first day, they have done 3 units. So remaining is the 9 units. Now, who will do these 9 units? Now, B is replaced by C and B, A and C. So again, that means A is working. Now, in place of B, C is working. So in total, they are taking 3 more days. So A plus C efficiency will be what's it? 9 units they are completing in 3 days. So 3 is at this. So A plus C, the efficiency is 3. Out of that, we know efficiency of A is 2. A is 2, sir. So C will be what? C has to be 1, sir. C has to be 1 because total is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So that means A does 1 unit of work every day. A does 1 unit of work every day. Now, in how many days will C complete the job, sir? In how many days will C complete the job? So 12 units of work, A does 1 unit every day, so he will take 12 days. Option B is the correct answer. Option B, Satya, yes, 12 is most definitely the correct answer. Very simple. Very simple question. Next one, sir. Pie chart. Pie chart shows percentage of expenditure, the angle formed by this. Achha. So again, we don't need the total. We do not need anything here. Why? They're asking the sector, education at the center of the circle. Angle formed by the sector representing education. Meaning, sir, they are asking us, education is what, sir? Education is this. So this 15%, this angle they are asking, sir. They are asking us to figure out this angle. Sir, every angle, if you know 1%, it is equal to 3.6 degrees. Now, I have shown you in my classes why, because 100% is total is equal to 360 degrees total in terms of degree. So 100%, 100% it is equal to 360 degree. So 1% will be 3.6. So the answer here will be 15 into 3.6 degrees. So that is 54 degrees. You see, very, very simple, because multiplication of 15 is 3 by 2. Multiplication of 15, you think in your head, it is like 3 by 2. 54 is the correct answer. Yes, Reena, Kamal, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, you guys are. 100% correct. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. HCF of these fractions. Acha. First things first, acha. You see, if you see something like this, na, always, if you can divide like this, these cancel this, do that. Sir, 7 2s are 4, 7 3s are this. So this fraction is 2 by 3. Sir, 4 7s are this, 5 7s are this. 4 by 5. Sir, 6 7s are this, 6 5s are this. 7 by 5. We need, the fractions are actually this. Just to make this more difficult, they have like represented these like very fractions in that fashion. Now I need HCF. Sir, HCF rule was what? Anything. Sir, whatever they ask, you do the same with the numerators and do the opposite with the denominators. So I'll do HCF of these numerators and I'll do the opposite, meaning LCM of the numerators, of the denominators. So 2, 4, 7. So 2 and 7 are prime numbers. So HCF can be only 1. And so this thing, so it's very simple. Both are 5s. So the LCM will be 5 into 3, 15. It is as simple as it gets. Option number A is the correct answer. Option A, Kamal, Reena, Sashi, all of you guys are 100% correct. All of you guys are 100% correct. Next one, sir. Percentage of books in Hindi, like English, Hindi, or remaining books. Okay, sir. That means this remaining books column will be important. Why? This will give me the total value. Let's see. English in A and D. English in A and D. Acha. Hindi books A and D. Acha. We only will talk about A and D. These two libraries. Sir, 25% English, 30% sir Hindi. Total sir 55% gone. So remaining will be this. So remaining means sir 45%. That value is 135. One part is 3. 45 threes are this. You see, 45 into 3 gives you 135. Right? So that means this is A, like in library A. How many books? How many English books are there? A and D, or sorry, A. So it is a 25 into 3, 75. 30 into 3 is 90. Now, total books, Hindi books also we need. Sir, Hindi books is what? Sir, let's talk about D. D is 15% and 10%, 25% gone. So 75% is this. 75% is 225. 75 into 3 is 225. So that means here also every percentage is 3. Every percentage 3 means this is 3 15s are 45 and 3 10s are 30. So they are asking total A and D. A and D. English books are this. Hindi books are this. 75, 45, sir. 120 is what percentage of 120? So the answer is option B, 100%. 120, any number is 100% of that very number. Another thing you see, once you got Nazar, both are actually 3. In library A as well as in library D, 1% is equal to 3. Then you don't need this. You can say 25 and 15, 40%, 30 and 10, 40%. 40% is what percentage of 40%? So 100%. 100% will be the answer. 100% will 100% be the answer. Good statement. 100% will be 100% the answer. Sir, 100% option B is the correct answer. Let's move on, sir. ये क्या है, sir? So this is indices, sir. Acha, sir. First things first. You don't know, sir. This is x. Just for understanding, sir. Sir, if I write, sir, x plus x, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Plus x plus x plus x. This is what, sir? 5 times x. This is 5x. Right now, sir? So this thing means what, sir? This thing means 5 times 5 to the power 31 into, sir. This is into. This is what, sir? 3 times 3 to the power 31, sir. It's something equal to, वो देखेंगे, sir. Now, sir, 5 times 5 to the power 31 means, sir, it is 5 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1. 5 times 32 into 3 times 32. Now, sir, there is another rule of indices. That is, sir, a to the power m into b to the power m. If the powers are same, so I can take ab to the power m, this whole thing. So 5, and both the powers are 32. So 5 3s are, can I say, 15 to the power 32. Now this is given as 15 to the power 2x. So can I say that means 2x is equal to 32, x is equal to 16, sir. The value of x will be, sir, 16. Option number B. Option number B. Yes, Reena, you are absolutely correct. Reena, you are 100% correct. Very, very, very simple. Very, very, very simple, sir. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? Just the representation looks scary. Question is as easy as it can get. Number of boys and girls in 6 different schools. Acha, sir. Let's see what they're asking. Now, pie chart, total number, if the line graph is presented as a pie chart, acha, that showed the total number of students in the 6 different schools. Then the central angle formed by the total number of students of school C. Meaning, it is as simple as it. Sir, total school C students is what percentage of total? Then we'll figure out the angle. Right? So total school, अच्छा total students, अरे बाप रे सब कुछ ऐड करना है सर. अच्छा चलो ठीक है. So let's add, sir. Let's keep on adding. 20, 30, 50, 50 and 30, sir. How much? 50 and 50. Let's do this two. 100, 120, sir. 120. Next, next, next. Let's be a little, sir, easy. 18 and 12, 13. 30, sir. 30, 30, 30. 30, sir, 18, 18, 24. 36 is 60, sir. 16, sir. 30 and this is 18 and 18 is, sir, 36 plus 24, 60. So 30 and 60 is 90. And remaining is 25. Chalo, theek hai. 235 students. Total, sir, 235 students. Right, sir? Total. In school, say, what is the number of students, sir? 18 plus 12, that is 30. They are asking 30 is what percentage of this? But again, I don't need a percentage, I need angle. So multiply with the total. In case of angle, it is 360 degree. चलो sir, calculation 3 tens are this. But 3 से तो जाएगा ही नहीं. क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? 3 से तो जाएगा ही नहीं sir. Percentage, percentage, percentage. Can you guys see anything? 15. 15 से जाएगा. But sir, 15 तो ये नहीं जाएगा sir. चलो, let's do normally sir. 5 से ही करो. 547 at this. नहीं sir, we have to do. The options are very weird क्या? 360 into 6 by 47. Okay. So just keep this in mind, sir. Everyone, please keep this in mind and let's see what the options are. Then 360 into 6 by 47. Remember. Huh, options are not that bad. 360 into 6 by 235. Addition में गलत तो नहीं किया ना हमने? Sorry, it was not 235. How much was that? अरे गड़बड़ कर दिया मैंने. What was the calculation? Total 250. हाँ देखा. Have I made any error? Sir, it was just let's do one more time. I guess I have made some error. 20, 30, 30, 20. And this, right? So 60, 40, 100, 120. That's done, sir. That is done. Now 18 and 12, 30. 30 and this is, sir, 60, 90, 90, 90. अच्छा ये देखो, ये 15 मैंने छोड़ दिया, अरे यार, हाँ हाँ, yes, so total will be, sir, this is 130, sir, total is 250, my mistake. This 15 na, I had kind of like forgot, I had forgotten to keep this 50, yes, extremely sorry. So total C is 30, हाँ अभी तो सही है सर, 30 out of 250. Now I need angle, so straight away multiply with this, sir. 25 direct to जाएगा नहीं sir, but again let's do, sir, 5 5s are this and 5 72s are this. So 20 like this, 210 216 by 5. How to do for like 5 divisions? Sir, do this. 432 by 10, sir. Sir, 443.2 degrees. That will be the answer. That will be the answer. 43.2, option C, sir. Option number C, sir. My mistake, I had made an error there. I had made an error there. Very bad error. Very silly type of error, sir. Very silly type of error. Chalo, no worries, no worries. Chalo, sir, next one, next one, next one. Sir, select the correct statement, or a statement sab to dikhi nahi na. Let's see. The first we'll do this, these two, then we'll move on to the, like, I need to like omit everything, then only we can see the statement 3 and 4. And if anyone between these two is the answer, tab to bhai bahut badhiya. First, ratio of the students enrolled in AB and XY in 2013 is this. 2013 AB is this and XY. So this ratio 0 0 gone, 7 से जाएगा तो सर 60s are this, 7s are 49, 56, 7 8s are this. हाँ sir, 6 13s are this, 6 10s are this. Sir, luckily option statement number A is the correct answer. Yes, Vigneshwaran, yes, Reena, yes. Chalo, chalo, chalo. We we have been very lucky that option, the statement 1 itself like gave us the correct answer. Sir, this one, sir. Tan A plus this, sine square A plus this. Let's see, sir. Sir, anyone who has done some good level of like kind of preparation, they will say, sir, this is na sec A into cosec A. I've shown you this multiple times. So tan A plus cot A can be written as this. Tan A plus cot A can, so 1 by tan A means cot A. So that can be written as, if you don't know, sir, you just break it down. Sine A by cos A plus cos A by sine A. And if you do not know this, please, this is the time from today onwards, please know this. Sir, LCM is sine A cos A. And this will be the cross multiplication. Sine square A plus cos square A will give you 1. So you see, this is sec A, 1 by cos A is sec A into, sir, cosec A. That you can do directly. That you should be able to write directly. And, sir, plus this is sine square A. 1 plus tan square A means sec square A. 1 by sec square A means, sir, cos square A. Sine square A plus cos square A, that whole thing is 1, sir. So my answer is this. Option number B, sir. Option number, sir, B. Lakshmi, B is the answer. Fourth, Vigneshwaran, I had during my preparation, you see, please understand, there is no foolproof rule for that. So during my preparation days, in my batches, I told you this, I'm saying this, I had a very weird thing after giving mocks and everything. So I had developed this thing. This was the order by which I used to always check. C, D, B, A, B. Okay? But again, if you try this and let's say B was your answer, then you will give me gali ki sir are aapne bataya. But again, most of the time I have seen this works like slightly better than the other ones. Please try this. Please try this in a couple of mocks or in your practice for a week or so. Then tell me whether it is giving you, it is saving you 10 seconds or not. And Vigneshwaran, and this is kind of a little bit funny side, but again, understand, sir. When you match the options now, please understand you always use your common sense. He said whether the number can be even, it is a multiple of something. So use a basic rules. Okay? Like that might help you. That might actually help you, sir. अच्छा सर, ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. देखो मैं चाय पीना ही भूल गया. अरे सर, दिस इज sec plus tan. Sir, same thing. Sec plus tan or cosec and cot. If you have information, sir, we all know sec square theta minus tan square theta. That is always 1. So it can be broken down in a square minus b square. Sec theta plus tan theta into, sir, sec theta minus tan theta. Now again, I'm showing you guys this, but again, please do not do this. So sec theta plus tan theta is given, sir, 2. So this is 2 na, sir. So remember always sec theta minus tan theta. It will be, sir, 1 by 2. So generally what we say, or what I say, sec theta minus tan theta whenever you see. So plus is given, minus will always be, sir, reciprocal. Minus will always be reciprocal. And remember, this same question can very well be coming with this thing. It is 2. Same logic. In that case, that is cosec theta minus cot theta will be like 1 by this. 1 by 2. Done, sir? Done, sir? Yes, Vigneshwaran, please do use that. And I feel it will help you a little bit. But again, do not expect much out of that. Thoda. Sir, this is one equation. Another equation, to already we know. Sec theta plus tan theta. It is equal to 2. Get rid of this. 2 sec theta is equal to this. So sec theta, na, if you add them, so this is 5 by 2 by 2, sir, 5 by 4. Sir, sec means what? Sec means like this by this. So again, if this is theta, sir, you will say this is 5, this is 4. So this must be 3 using Pythagorean triplets. Whatever they now ask, you can answer. They are asking sine theta. Sine will be 3 by 5. The answer is option A. The answer is, sir, option A. Reena had given the absolute correct answers. Reena had given exactly the correct answer. Moving on, sir. How many natural numbers are between them? So this is an AP question. But again, you can solve now if you're willing to think a little bit more rather than simply saying, sir, AP. You can solve it much easier. Sir, 103. Sir, if you divide this by 9, because I need natural number divisible by 9. Sir, what is just the number which is divisible by 9 after 103? Sir, you don't need any calculation. You say 108 is the next number. 108 is the next number, which is equal to 9 into 12. This is the 12th multiple of 9. Sir, next is 460, sir. Sir, what is the next number, sir? 460 if I have, sir, you will say, sir, 459. It is only divisible. Again, till 460, because you see, I have to keep my range starting from this to 460. So I can take something which is greater than 103. But again, I must contain myself to something that is less than 460. That is why I'm thinking about this. You see, 459, how did I do now? I have checked just the divisibility rule of 9. Ki whether it is divisible by 9 or not. So I thought ki 460 niches meaning, sir, 450 something. So that means now this is divisible by 9. So it will be still a divisible by 9 if I put 9. So 459 is also divisible by 9, and it is 9 times how much? So 9 5s are this, 9 1s are this. So 12 se start, 51 mein khatam. Shubham, this is, brother, not a Hindi channel, brother. I can speak Hindi. For the Hindi solution, please, there is SSC and railways. This is the channel, brother. This channel is mainly predominantly for those who are not very comfortable in Hindi. I am also one of them. Okay. Shubham, I hope you understand, brother. Chalo, 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 chalo. Now, so 12 se start, 51, sir. How many digits, sir? You will say, sir, 51 minus 12. But, sir, you have to include them. So, I told you guys, so n minus p, you must add 1 at the end. So, it will be how much, sir? 52 minus, this is 40, sir. So, there are how many numbers? 40 numbers. Option C is the answer. Option C is most definitely the answer. And this concept should be clear. This plus one addition, right? Plus one addition concept should be clear up to everyone. Correct? Moving on, sir. 16% of the eggs bought by a shopkeeper got broken during transportation. Acha, on selling this and this and this. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let us do one thing. Let's take, so there were 100 eggs and each egg is selling, like CP is a rupees 1. CP is rupees 1. So that means 100 eggs, the CP, total CP is 100 rupees. So 16% got broken. That means now the shopkeeper has 84 eggs. Out of the remaining those, so shopkeeper's overall profit was 8%. So CP is 100 rupees. This is your CP total. 8% profit means SP will be, sir, 108 rupees. SP will be, sir, 108 rupees, sir. Now, if the shopkeeper had not got any broken eggs, sold them at the same price as the remaining eggs, what will be the profit? It is very simple. So selling price will be, sir, this much. This is the total selling price for these many eggs. So this is this. So 12. Like 4C, like let's do, sir. 4C if I do, sir, 21, 4 twos are this, 4 sevens are this, right? 4 twos are 8, 20, yes, sir. So 3 sevens are this, 3 nines are this. So SP is 9 by 7 rupees per egg, sir. 9 by 7 rupees per egg. Now what they're saying, shopkeeper had not got anything broken. So meaning now he has 100 eggs only. Nothing has broken. And he is selling each egg for this much. He is selling this each egg for 9 by 7. It is the same price as the remaining eggs. So this will be the new SP. This would have been the SP. So in that case, it will be 900 by 7. Nothing can be done here. 900 by 7. So can I do one thing, sir? Percentage they are asking, sir. So CP 100 rupees, SP this much rupees. Sir, please understand, 100 into 9 by 7 means, sir, 7 by 7 and plus 2 by 7. So 7 by 7 is 100%. So 2 by 7 gives you 28.56%, because 1 by 7 was 14.28%. Percentage to fraction conversion. So this will be 128.56%. So profit will be 28.56%. Option dekho. Ye dekho 28.57. Option A is the correct answer. Option A. Sachin, Sashi, Reena, all of you guys are 100% correct. All of you guys are 100% correct. Clear, sir? Clear, sir? Very simple. Sir, just we had discussed this today only, just 5 minutes before. Sir, a square minus b square by a minus b. So the answer is, sir, cot x plus tan x. We have just seen this. It can be written as 1 by sin x into cos x, or you can direct say sec x into tan x, whatever. But sir, options are 2x. Options may we have all 2x's. You see 2x, 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 2x. So what we can do? What can be done, sir? Sir, do some magic. 2 here, 2 here. This is sine 2x, sir. Sine 2x ka formula, sir. So the answer will be, sir, 2 by sine 2x. Option A again. Option A again is the correct answer. Yeah, Mr. Student, absolutely you can do that. But again, this calculation is easier, na brother. That is the reason I've done this. You can do that, but that will be a fraction. So fraction will give you a little bit of an issue. Perfect. चलो. So again, अच्छा कौन क्या? Option A. Option A. Perfect, brother. Combined average. अरे बाप रे. चलो. Students ratio 3 ratio 2. Average marks is one is A 75. Combined average is 70. Other. So allegation is the best approach here. We all know. You should know this just by reading this question. The first thing that should strike your mind is an allegation. Allegation, allegation, allegation. So class A, class B. Class A 75, combined average 70, sir. So class B, I don't know, I'm taking X. Now remember 70 should be between this and this. So that means X has to be less than 70. Okay, because the difference, for difference we need this. This ratio I know, sir, 3 ratio 2. Keep this in mind, this information will be required. So this is 5, sir, and this is what, sir? You tell me why I have written this. Because if you write this, now the biggest mistake, the most frequent mistake I've seen students make is this one, sir. They will write, sir, X minus 70. And that is where you are gone. Because who is big, sir? Who is bigger, 70 or X? X is less than 70. You should write 70 minus X. Not this one, please, everybody understand. So this is the ratio. Now this ratio is equal to this ratio. So just put it down, sir. 70 minus X by 5. It is equal to 3 by 2. So from there, sir, you will say 2X will be, sir, 140, and sir, this is minus 15. How much? 140 and minus 15 means 125. So X will be this 62.5, sir. Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. Clear, clear, clear. B, 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 perfect. Vignesh Sharan, perfect, perfect, perfect. Everyone, very good. Chalo, sir, next one. Dimensions of this 15, X and 10. Cost of painting is into rupees 3. Sir, option, answer will be 3 ka multiple. Not this one. So this can be not this one. 7, 6, 10. अरे sorry, हो गया गड़बड़. हो गया गड़बड़. So again, shortcut nahi. Please understand, because whatever is the area into rupees 3, so my answer has to be a multiple of 3. So I had like expected ki ye ho jayega. But again, the options are blocking our way approach. So again, tab kya kare, pura karo. Sir, sir, cost of entire box externally, sir. That means TA, sir, total surface area, sir. 2 at a time. 15 into X, 15X. X into 10, 10X plus 15 into 10, 150. That is equal to 2898. That is the total, like how much rupees we needed by, sir, per square feet rate. So this will be the area. So 3 nines are 27, 866, 166. And 2 से divide करो, sir. 48 3. Sir, X will be, sir, 483 minus 333 by, sir, 25. So 25 से division means multiply by 4. So 333 into 4, this will be how much? एक सेकंड, एक बार देख लेते हैं सर. एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड. अच्छा वो, अरे वो तभी तभी तो मैंने बता कि ये क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. चलो चलो, नहीं, नो वरीज, नो वरीज. So 333 into 4, sir. This is 1200, 12, 120, like 12. So 1200 and 132. 1200 and 132 means 1332 by, sir, 100. Meaning, sir, 13.32. 13.32 is the value of X. So I need the volume. So A into B into 1332 by, sir, 100. So let's do one thing. ये चला गया, sir. Sir, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are this, 5 3. 2s are 6 6 6. Sir, 1800 something, 1800, so 1998. This is the only answer. Option B, sir. Option B, sir. Option B, sir. Okay, everyone, because you see, the other possible option was less than 6 trees. So that will be the only possible answers. That will be the only possible answer, sir. Everyone, everybody clear? Everybody clear? Moving on, sir. AD is the altitude to the hypotenuse of this array, sir. Right triangle ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. A, nothing is given, na? To the अच्छा, तब तो sir, it is given, sir. कुछ ना बता के भी बहुत कुछ बता दिया, sir. Please understand, sir. AD is the altitude to the hypotenuse. That can only be drawn if this is A, sir. This is D, sir. So that means this is B, this is C. AB is given as 15. This is 15, okay. AC is 8. अरे तब तो बढ़िया है. Sir, can anyone tell me what will be BC? What will be the length of BC, sir? Ashutosh, most probably you are correct, brother. What will be the length of BC, sir? Using triplet. Triplet use करके बताओ, sir. This is 8 centimeters. This is 8 centimeters. 15 and 8. What will be the third line? Third side BC. Use triplets, sir. Don't calculate. These things you need to know. Yes, Sashit, 17 is the correct answer. So this is 17. I don't know this AD. This is what they are asking. They are asking AD only, sir. So H I'm taking. Sir, in this situation, I had given you guys the best technique always is figure out area from both the directions. Sir, this is base, this is height. Area is half into base into height, 8 into 15. Again, sir, same triangle. Now look at this from this side. So this is base, BC, that is 17, sir. Half into base is 17. Height is what, sir? Height is H. Put it down, sir. Done. Sir, like you cannot do anything, sir. 8 times 15 by 17. So slightly less than 8 will be the answer. Slightly less than 8 means 7 should be the answers. Slightly less than 8. Uh, Vignesh Sharan, the thing is that, whether in quant also, na, so there are many batches that are in the pipeline which will launch like one by one. If you want, I will say, you see, go for the super elite. I always say this. Outside of this, let's say for a second I'm not part of Oliveboard, then also I'll say this to everyone. Okay, why? Because you see, if the difference was huge, then that was a different issue. The difference, the amount is very like nominal. The difference between purchasing one in any one batch and the whole subscription. So I'll ask you, I'll say, if you can afford it, then go for this. That will be better value for money. Because you see, if you are this year's candidates also now, so you will learn first, then you'll need some revision on, of like, for that will bring a crash course, then you'll need some practice, for that will bring a practice course. So everything is in pipeline. So if you have this now, so you have access to everything. That's the logic, nothing else. That is the logic actually. ठीक है, चलो सर, चलो सर. सर this सर अरे क्या हो गया सर, राजा. So remember one simple thing. So this is an expenditure based question, and I've given you so many things. Sir, remember only one thing: expenditure is equal to what? Expenditure is equal to. Let me write it like this. Expenditure, it is equal to, sir, price of the item into the consumption of the item, sir. You see what will, so everything is given. So ratio is initial, final. Let's see initial. Price of the rice reduced by 30%. Meaning, sir, price, if it was 10 rupees, it is now 7 rupees. It has reduced by this. Nishu ends up increasing his expenditure by 40%. Meaning, sir, if it was Expenditure was 100 rupees. Now it is 140 rupees. Let's say, sir, this is this 10:14, or if you want, you can write, sir, this is 5:7 as well. Sir, what will be they are asking? Percentage change in consumption. Percentage change in consumption. Remember, sir, remember always expenditure is this into this. So use the concept of compound like ratio. I've given this like in very like in great detail. So expenditure by price will be consumption, sir. Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. So consumption will be expenditure by price. Expenditure 5 rupee by price 10 rupee. So expenditure initially was this. Now, sir, what will happen now? It is 7 rupees, it is 7 rupees. So it will be 1, sir, 7 by 7. So the answer will be, sir, 5:10, meaning, sir, 1:2. 1:2 will be the answer. Acha, 1:2. Acha. So ratio, if you don't want, sir, 1 rupee became 2 rupees. 1 rupee became 2 rupees, meaning, sir, 100% increment. Double ho gaya, sir. It is double. Double means, sir, 100% increment. D. Percentage pucha hai. If they had asked ratio, your referral code, Vignesh, you don't need any referral code. You just go there, the whatever the best option, best discount wherever you are getting, just put that in. No need to put anyone's referral code. कुछ नहीं है भाई, मैंने बताया ना. Let's not be that much commercial. पढ़ाई करनी है. So मैं भी उतना कुछ नहीं है. Please put like whatever. Go there, see which coupon is giving you the maximum discount. Okay? So put it there, buy the pack. That's all. That's all there is, brother. And the biggest advantage of super elite is, na, please understand, sir. Many of you might need, you have done your preparation, but sir, there can be something in the foundation level which you have missed, or somehow it got missed unintentionally. I'm not saying anybody intentionally missed something. Now, there in super elite, you get access to the previous courses as well. So what happens there? So if you need to go like through one particular topic, you go to the foundation batches, because there the most in depth is there. So you go through like say couple of classes, 3 classes of that topic. Done. Your preparation is done. So this is one advantage, extra advantage that you get with like super elite. Sir, sir, no matter how many variables, if you have only one equation and then they are asking something, that is a good indicator ki, sir, value putting question, this one. This is a value putting question, right? Let's see, na, sir, what values can I put? अरे ये तो सर बहुत सिंपल है. 1 1 1 is giving you the answer. 3 1s are 3, -2 -1 is 0. Put 1, sir, everywhere. So this is 9 -2 plus 1 by y plus, meaning 1 plus 3. Sir, 8, so the answer is 2, sir. Option number B. Option number B. Vignesh, you don't need it, brother. You don't need it. Always remember, you need to satisfy this. Works. Works, brother. Simple answer आ जाएगा, sir. उतना कुछ करना ही नहीं. Perfect, everyone. Two friends. Two friends, P and Q, travel 80 kilometers. Okay. P 40 kilometers at 5. Acha. And this and this. Acha, who arrives? Acha, we need the relation between times. Sir, how much P is taking, sir? P's time will be what, sir? Distance by speed. So it is 5 hours. Plus the second one for distance by speed, 2 hours. So total, sir, P is taking 7 hours. What about Q, sir? Distance by speed, 4 hours. Distance by speed, 40 by 16. So it means, sir, 48 5s are this, 8 2s are this. So 5 by 2 means 2.5, sir. 6.5 hours. Sir, who arrives first? Q arrives first. Half an hour early, sir. 7 hours, 6.5 hours. Sir, Q by 30 minutes. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Convert. Good evening, brother. Good evening. Very, very good evening. Very, very, very good evening. Chalo, sir. Next one, next one, next one. And again, please like the session if you are liking this. Please like the session if you are liking this. Oh, देखो, the same question we had done. Same question we had done, right? In one of the previous mocks as well. Most probably in the NTPC mock. What I told you guys, I have shown you there are two approaches. Here also, chalo, I'm showing you two approaches. Diameter is 14, sir. That means this is OA. This is 7, sir. Why? Because this is radius half of diameter. This is given something. OP means this whole length is 25. Sir, okay, sir. Sir, and they are asking length of the tangent means the length of AP. Sir, it's a right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle. Tell me, triplet 7, 25, and which one else is the triplet, sir? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me, everyone. Tell me, sir. Sir, it is 24. So that is your answer. That is itself your answer. Now again, yes, Reena, perfect, perfect, perfect. Now anyone wants to do it, not by using this method. This method is clear. Some might say, no, sir, I'll not do it like this. Then what I'll do? I will use, you can use here, tangent secant theorem as well. Tangent secant theorem. Why? Because you see, this is P, this is Q. So tangent secant theorem is saying AP squared will be, sir, P. I don't know this. ये भी ले लेते sir, M. So PM into PQ. Sir, AP square will be, sir, PM, how to figure out, sir? Total, this much is, sir, 25. And this thing is 7, sir. So this much will be, sir, 25 minus 7. That is how much? 18. So AP square is 18 into PQ will be what, sir? The whole thing. It is 25 plus 7, sir. 25 plus 7. So you will say, acha, ye kaam karenge, sir. Let's do this. Sir, it is, rather than calculating the right like this, it is 25 minus 7. It is 25 plus 7. You will say, sir, AP square is 25 squared minus 7 squared. A square minus B square, that is 24 square. So AP will be, sir, 24. Now, it is a much too lengthy method, right? But again, the first method that has shown, that was easier. But again, please understand, you can do it in both the methods. During exam time, after exam. Convert, brother. That means you are not lacking the exam. Like, there are two possibilities, brother. Either you are lacking the exam temperament, that can be confirmed whether this is happening to every subject or only on maths. If the maths is the reason, if it is happening only in maths, then that is not the temperament is not the issue. Then the issue, brother, is in the learning portion. The biggest reason that this thing happens, the most common reason, you have not understood the concepts. Rather, you have gone with shortcuts. This question needs to be solved like this. This question it can get solved in this method. What is happening in the exam time when the pressure comes? Na, oh, nothing. वो अंदर से कुछ नहीं निकलेगा. You will not get anything right. That happens. Please understand, if you know a shortcut, please understand why that shortcut works. This is very, very important, brothers. Say you are using a shortcut. Please understand the reason behind this. Go for the foundation batches, it will help you. And to convert that, and then mostly, this is the most common, like the reason behind this. Just like what I've just told you guys. Take it. This is, we have seen, this is the most common reason. So thoda, like you need to kind of, if possible, restart your maths preparation. Sir, like let's understand the things. I'm not saying you start from zero, absolute zero. Whatever you know, I'm not asking you to bhul jao. That is not possible, right? But again, try understanding the questions, the solutions, rather the approaches. The approach is more more important than the exact solution. Sir, like for example, here, when I'm seeing this, the first thing that is striking me is I will use AB theorem or I'll use ratio. Now, this thing is something that you need to develop. Now, the thing is that if I ask you, why will I use AB theorem or ratio? that answer should be there with you. If I ask you, if you say, sir, I'll use what? I'll use the ratio method. Now, if I ask you why will you be using ratio method, and if you cannot answer in that situation, that means there is something wrong, brother. That you need to work on. वो थोड़ा सही करना होगा. ठीक है? Here, sir, difference between the selling prices they are asking na 25 and 5. Both methods are equally good. But chalo, sir, I always do using ratio like AB theorem. So let's use ratio for once. So 10% discount means what, sir? MP is 10 rupee, SP is 9 rupee, 10 rupees, like 1 rupee discount. So 3 times, sir, compound ratio, sir, it will be 1,000 rupees and 9 cube is 729 rupees. Right? Similarly, sir, this one, sir, 20% means 5 rupee MP, 4 rupee SP. 5% by 5% means 1 by 20. 20 rupees MP, 1 rupee discount, 19 is this. 20 rupees, 19 is this. Sir, what will be the compound ratio? 19 squared, sir. 19 squared is 361 into 4, sir. This is how much, sir? 5 fours are 20, like 4, 2000, right? 400 here. So this is 361 into 4, sir. 3 fours are 12. Sorry, 361 into 4. 36 fours are 144, right? And sir, this is 4. So 148. 1480 I'm getting. Sorry. अरे मैं कुछ उल्टा सीधा कर रहा हूँ. रुको रुको रुको. I'm doing something, thinking something else. Sir, 361 into 4, sir. This is 36 into 4, sir. 1440 and 4. 1444. 1444. Right? Now, please understand, sir. Please understand. Once you have done this, please understand. I have to compare. I need to figure out the difference. So for that, either you divide this ratio by 2, because how 1000 should be equal to 1000, or you divide, because please understand, this is MP ratio SP. This is your MP ratio SP. So if you are using this technique, na sir, so MP, we are figuring out, like the MP is the same, the order total is 20,000. The total is 20,000. So MP must be equal. So here MP is 1000. So here also I must make MP 1000. So I can do it in 2 methods. Either I can say divide this ratio by 2 or multiply this ratio by 2, whichever works. But again, the division is better, sir. You do this. So this is 1000 by, sir. This will be what, sir? 722. And this is 1000 by 729, sir. What is the difference? So difference is of 722 was the selling price here and 729 is the selling price here. 7 rupees ka difference is. There is a difference of 7 rupees. Yes, Sashi. That is what exactly I was saying. Now, the selling price difference is what? So 1000 rupees, I'm getting 7 rupee discount. If the MP is 1000. Sir, actual MP is 2000, like 20,000, meaning sir 20 times. So the difference will be into 20. 7 into 20, sir, 140 rupees discount hoga, sir. Option number D is the answer. Okay, this is as I always solve these questions using AB theorem. This time I did something different. This time I did something different. Okay, just a second. Chalo, sir. Next one, sir. What they're saying next? 8 years ago, sir. 8 years to my students, I have said this time and time and time again. These questions always try to go by ratio. Always do not solve, sir. 8 years ago, Vani and Kanika's age is this. Acha, Vani's age after 9 years, sir. So first things first. 8 years ago, Vani's age was a multiple of 5. And they are asking after 9 years. So presently it will be plus 8. After 9 years, again plus 9. So total, sir, 8 plus 9, 17 years baad. This is that answers. So meaning, can I say, if I subtract 17 years from each, it should be a it should be a multiple of 5 parts because 1 was 5 into something. H cannot be in fraction. Nobody can have a fractional h, sir. So 40 minus, this is not a multiple of 5. So this is a multiple of 5, not a multiple, not a multiple. Answer is B, sir. Answer is, sir, B. Yes, Reena, you are absolutely correct. You are absolutely spot on. Absolutely correct, you are. So please understand, I've said this time and time and time again. These questions, age-related questions, they're easy but comes very often. If you get a question like this, do not solve, do not do anything. Just like check the options. Just check the options. Sir, cylinders का कुछ बताया है? Ratio of radius. Sir, volume is r square into h. So that means ratio square into h. So that means 2 square. You see 2 is there into. This is 4h ratio. This thing square 3 square into h. So this is 2 to the power 4, 16. This is 27 into 5, sir. 27 into 5 is 135. 6, अरे क्या हो गया? अरे 20, पागल क्या मैं? Sorry, 3 square I'm saying 20, like 7. 5 nines are 45. अरे यार पागल. Option B is the answer. Again, this ratio questions we have done multiple times, right? In classes. So partnership. Chalo partnership question. Very simple. Very simple. This much for 12 months. This much in acha for after 8 months. Chalo बढ़िया sir. Sir, find out the profit sharing ratio PSR. So A is acha bacha. He is not doing anything. He is not doing anything. He is saying, chalo bhai, I'll not kind of whatever my money, it will be there. So 50. So first things first, can I do anything? Like something 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros gone. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros gone. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros gone. So 5 rupees for 12 months. Always, if you can cancel upfront, cancel upfront. Don't worry. Now, 6 rupees for 8 months. You see, he has drawn out 2 rupees after 8 months, meaning for the first 8 months, 6 rupees was there. Now, for the next 4 months, because it's an annual profit, total business 12 years, 12 months. So, 8 for the first 8 months, his capital was 6 rupees. Now, 2 rupees he has withdrawn for the last 4 months. For that means for the last 4 months, his capital is 6 minus 2, 4 rupees for 4 months. Calculate, sir. 4 twos are this, 4 threes are this. Anything else? Nothing else. 15 ratio, 12 plus 4 is 16. So total is 31 parts. Total 31 parts, 15 parts plus 16 parts. 31 parts is equal to 31,000. Every part is 1,000 rupees, sir. B's shares are 16,000 rupees. 16 meaning, sir, 16,000. Option C is definitely the correct answer. Reena, again, you are 100% correct. Again, you are 100% correct. Last couple of questions. ये क्या है, sir? UV and SW are two medians of a triangle STU. Huh. STU. UV and SW. SW and UV. So this is V, sir, SW, sir. Acha. Acha, intersect at, array, this is right angle. Acha, doesn't look like it, but again, this is right angle, they have told us. If the length of UW, find the length of UW, if UV and SW, UV is given, UV is 72. Acha, and SW, अच्छा सर ये तो बहुत simple है. This is very simple. Why? Because median, this is your centroid. Centroid divides. Centroid always divides the median in the 2:1. So this, they are asking UW, meaning sir this much. So that means let's take this triangle, sir. Let us take this triangle. Remember, this is 90 degree. Okay, the diagram is not that cool. Chalo, theek hai. Sir, what will be UC? UC length will be, sir, 2/3. 2:1. So 2/3 of the total length UV. UV total length 72. Answer. Answer. CW. CW. It will be what, sir? 1/3 of the total length SW. SW is 42. So this is 14. This is 14, sir. This and this thing is this how much, sir? 24, right? So this is 48, sir. Sir, 48. Sir, again, if you have prepared well, you will say, sir, this is also Pythagorean triplet. This is 7 twos are 7 into 2. This is 24 into 2. 7 and 24. The other was 25. So it will also be into 2. So the answer will be, sir, 50. Pythagorean triplet, option C, 50 is the answer. How to guess which is two part? Brother, the bigger always from the vertex. This is two parts, brother. And this is the smaller one part. Always. From whichever vertex you are drawing, that part is bigger, that is 2, and this is 2. Always. Okay? For this one, sir, you see the bigger one is from whichever vertex you are drawing, the median. So that will be the 2 parts. Clear? Clear? So 50 is the correct answer. Sashi, clear, brother? Chalo. Last question, simple interest. Rakesh borrowed this much in 2 different parts, and the interest paid 20% 2 years is equal to interest paid this much. So this is na, sir. This is 1/7. Simple interest for 2 years. Huh. Achha, I don't know. 2 parts. Let's do it easily. Let's not go into allegation. You can do allegation actually. If you want, you'll do it by allegation. You want to do it by allegation se karte hain. But एक काम करो sir, equal है, let's do it, sir. Because allegation में again we have to take the average to figure out what happened or not. Sir, let's do normal, sir. X rupees in 20, like 20%. So 20% 2 years means 40%. It is equal to the other part. That is 48,000 rupees. अच्छा एक काम करेंगे, वो भी हटा दो sir. I don't know the other part. That is Y. Y rupees in other part. That is, sir, this much percentage for again 2 years. Meaning, sir, 2/7 actually. This is. And 40% I can write what? 40% I can simply write, sir. 40% means 2/5. 2 cancels. So X by Y is how much, sir? It is 5/7. Calculate, so total is 48. So they are asking difference between them, sir. So 5 plus 7, total 12 parts is 48,000, meaning every part is 4,000. So difference is 2 parts to answer. 2 parts will be, sir, 4,000 into 2. So the answer to this question will be 4,000 is every part. Difference is 2 parts. So the answer will be, sir, 8,000 rupees. Answer is, sir, option D, 8,000. Option D, 8,000 is most definitely your correct answer. And that was our last question. Done and dusted. Right, sir? Now, again, this was our this week's mock. Very, very, very simple. Nothing very extravagant, nothing there. Which there was not a single question which could have landed us in trouble. And it is a like maybe 15-minute paper. You should not take this like more than 15-16 minutes on this particular these 25 questions. Okay. So again, thank you so much everyone for joining. I will then see you guys again tomorrow with the NTPC mock and then the basic classes of geometry as we are like following. Okay. So again, thank you so much. If you have liked the video, like the session, please do hit that like and share it among your friends. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Till then, please take care and thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good night.